Hi, welcome back to another segment of Patricia Stuart, of Patricia Stuart Originals. I've been going through some gel prints that I've done already, and since I have so many, I'd like to use up as many as possible, some form of artwork, before I make new ones. And so I was going through my book and pulled out some patterns of blue. I had quite a few blues, and I thought it would be nice to just put them together in a collage form. And see what the finished look would be. And so I'm going for my usual approach that I like to do, using mixed media paper, which will be the backing that I glue them onto. And so these will be cut up in squares, as you've seen me do before, and place onto mixed media paper using my golden matte medium to glue it down. So it's a good thing if you've collected quite a bit of gel prints already. It's a good thing to sort of go through them and look for the ones that would work well together and make a work of art using those patterns. And so I'm going to cut them out and situate them and come right back. So here we are, finished. And it took some doing to select the pieces. Normally I cut 3 by 3 squares. This time I did 3 by 2. I was trying to get as many on as possible. And I wanted to leave some of the white space because we had a lot of blue and I didn't want them close together. And so it was the decision as to how to place what, where, how it catches the eye. And I still have several pieces left, and this could make for another project. So you can see the patterns in blue, and it's really good to look at some of your pieces and see how they blend together. Take your strongest color in those pieces and put them together. And I felt my strongest color were these blues in every piece, and the teal, kind of that greenish blue, kind of adds something, element of something different, but still in the same blue family. And I enjoy this process of taking my prints and cutting them and creating a look with them. This approach makes me think differently than when I'm just putting colors to pull prints. My eyes see differently, I assess things differently, and it's a good exercise for my brain, and it sort of pushes your creativity in a different direction. And so this is one of my favorite things to do, besides just, you know, pulling the prints. And so it's worth a try. You have a lot of gel prints. You want to slow down with making more because you have stacks and you're trying to figure out what to do with them. This can be done if you have like a greeting card on your blank cardstock paper and you wanted to make a greeting card. You would just take your prints and cut them down smaller, or whatever size you want on that greeting card to get as many squares on it. It makes a nice card, or frameable print, whatever. And so I find myself coming back time and time again to this format. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, and thank you for my recent subscribers. I appreciate all of you who comment and ask questions, or, you know, express your sentiments for my channel. Thank you so much.